so let's talk about these seats. Man, I tell you what, this couldn't be any easier to disassemble and take these seats out. There's only 4 bolts holding them in. We got one right here and one on the other side. And we got one bolt right here and on the other side. And that is it. Then what you'll be left with is a pedestal and a plate which this rides on. And I'll show that to you here. So once you get your seat off, this is what you're left with. Not much to it, is there? Those 4 bolts, one down right here on these 2 and these 2. So it's those 2 there and those 2 there. 4 bolts, and that was it. I think it was harder to get it out the door than it was to get it taken apart. So I'm going to get to unscrewing the other side and get the driver's seat out of here so we can send it in and have it reupholstered. These are our dining room sets, and well, as you can tell, she got just a little bit of dry rot here. It's all flaked off, done turned nasty on us. So that's a bad juju there. So we're going to take it down to the upholstery shop, and while we have the driver and passenger seats done, we're going to have them go ahead and do for our dinette. Both of the bottom cushions are the same way, so we'll just get both of them done at the same time. Now the driver's seat isn't nearly as bad as the passenger. As you can tell right here in the headrest where my head would touch, decided to flake and peel off, and there's one spot down here, and those have come off. It's just a matter of time. We'll show you the passenger seat and how bad it is. So since we're having the passenger side done, we're just going to go ahead and get this one done, mainly just so they match. So yeah, got to do what you got to do. All I'm going to need for this is crescent wrench, and just so happens mine is a 1/2 inch. So 4 bolts. Well, if you wouldn't have seen it in the time lapse, you wouldn't believe it. But that took every bit of 3 minutes to get that seat out. 3 to get that one out. 3. I'll say it took 5 to do that one because I had to figure it out. 4 bolts on each one. Like I said, it's harder to fish this thing out the door and put it in my truck than it is to take the bolts off and get it out. So definitely not a hard task. We're going to take these to the upholstery shop in town. Look up on the internet, check out your local places, and see if you can find somebody who's in your area that does upholstery, and give them a ring and a ling ding. So I'm going to put these in the truck, haul them off to the upholsterers whenever I go to work next time, and drop them off. It's going to take a couple weeks, but hang in there. We'll show you what it looks like when they come back.
Hey guys, it's Tony with RV Barndominium, and we just went and picked up today. We got our seats back from the upholsterers. So we had some really bad wear on them, but we found an upholsterer in a local town, and they were able to do these seats. We did the 2 captain's chairs for the front of the RV, and we also did the 2 bench seats. Altogether, it cost us $850 to get them done, and I don't consider that bad at all. So new seats would have cost us a lot more. Plus, these are the originals that come with the vehicle. They're rated for the vehicle and everything like that. So I had to pick out the colors. I did get a 2-tone. I don't know how good you can see it with not being in the sun, but I think it came out great. So it's really close to what it was. And I think they did an absolutely fabulous job on them, considering what they were and all the intricate, the small little headrests that are there and all the stitching. I think he did a great job on it. So, as always, we like to keep our money in our local community, so we know where it was done and how it was done, and I'd be more than happy to bring him some more business in the future. So one of the things that the upholsterer did say is that flaking that other material had done from the stock material, he said that this material will not do that. So this is a higher end material. One of the benefits compared to buying new seats is that you're going to get manufactured quality of material. So this is a higher grade material that won't flake and do that again to us. So hopefully this will last a lot longer than the other ones did. But I guess we'll see. And we're really looking forward to it because we are leaving tomorrow for our first RV trip of the season. So I got to get these installed into the RV, which isn't very hard to do considering there's only 4 bolts in each seat. So it is a quick and easy job that anybody can do. So here we go. Oh, not too heavy. See if I can remember how I got it in there. Well, that was the Here are the eating area bench seats that he reupholstered. Very nice, nice corners, nice hemming, zipper on it, just like the other one was. Nice, very good job. Pretty easy. 4 bolts each seat. On each side. Well, another project successful. We're really happy with the upholstery job they did on this, and for what we the quality we got for our money. Also, we kept a local mom and pop shop working. It did take almost a month to get it from them, but that was okay because we didn't have anything scheduled, and we kind of did it over the partially over the beginning of the spring and winter. So everything worked out. Hope you all like this project. It's very easy to do. The hardest thing to do is to find somebody who can do your upholstery. It's been a successful day, and we are ready to go camping. We're really happy with it. So be sure to like and subscribe us and follow us along on our adventures. Leave us a comment down below what you think. What do you think of the new seats we got here, and what kind of experiences you all might have in the same thing if y'all come across that. If not, if anything, we let you know that it's a very easy thing to do. Just find yourself a good local upholstery shop to do you some good. But we'll see you on the other side, so follow us along. Have a good one, y'all.